Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the control board on your Camco portable refrigerator. This video will focus specifically on the Cam 200 and Cam 300 with USB models. Let's get started. And that is how you remove and replace the control board on your Camco portable refrigerator. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below or email us at info@camco.net. And thank you for watching.
Camco.net.